Looking for the best printer for stickers? Whether you're crafting custom decals, labeling products, or making fun artwork, choosing the right printer makes all the difference. The ideal sticker printer delivers vibrant colors, precise detail, and durable results on a variety of materials, helping your designs pop and stick perfectly every time. Starting at number 1. Liene PixCut S1 Color Sticker Printer. The Liene PixCut S1 is an all-in-one device that combines high-resolution thermal dye sublimation photo printing and precise die cutting into a single, streamlined machine. With Bluetooth connectivity and a user-friendly app, you can easily edit, print, and cut directly from your smartphone, making it perfect for creating custom stickers, labels, phone skins, and more in just 2 minutes. The AI image extraction feature automatically identifies and extracts subjects from your photos, while the high-precision cutting system ensures flawless, professional edges guided by AI technology. This innovative device, available in white and weighing 6.2 pounds, simplifies your creative projects by offering a seamless workflow for printing and cutting, saving you time and effort while delivering exceptional results. Number 2. Rollo USB Shipping Label Print. The Rollo USB Shipping Label Printer is a commercial-grade thermal label printer designed for printing 4x6 shipping labels. It is ideal for shipping packages and creating custom sticker labels, making it a perfect choice for small businesses. The printer offers high-speed performance and supports both Windows and Mac operating systems, ensuring compatibility and efficiency for various users. Number 3. HP DesignJet T650 Large Format 36-inch Plotter Printer. The HP DesignJet T650 36-inch printer is a high-performance thermal printing device designed for technical line drawings, precise renders, posters, maps, and large-format prints, making it popular among architects, engineers, and construction professionals. It features Ethernet, USB, and Wi-Fi connectivity and comes with a sleek black design. The printer includes a 2-year extended warranty with on-site and remote support, HP parts, and next business day's service for unresolved issues. It offers a maximum print speed of 2.4 ppm for both color and monochrome prints. Supporting media sizes up to 36-inch wide rolls and 13-inch by 19-inch sheets, it includes an automatic sheet feeder accessory for convenience. Media handling capabilities include sheet feed, roll feed, automatic sheet/roll switch, media bin, and an automatic horizontal cutter. The printer also includes special features such as an LCD touchscreen, paper roll cover, and auto horizontal paper cutter. Its dimensions are 24-inch x 52W x 37H. Number 4. HP Smart Tank 7602 Wireless All-in-One Ink Tank Printer. The HP ST7602 AIO is a wireless printer equipped with HP thermal inkjet printing technology and features such as an auto document feeder, ADF, auto duplex, a display screen, refillable ink tank, and dual-band network readiness. This color printer, available in blue, offers a maximum print speed of 9 ppm for color and 15 ppm for monochrome prints. Weighing 17 pounds, it is designed to provide reliable and hassle-free printing. The standout feature of this printer is its longevity, as it includes up to 2 years of ink, allowing for thousands of pages of cartridge-free printing with sharper text and richer colors. Engineered for durability, the HP Smart Tank ensures consistent performance without complex maintenance. This innovative, cartridge-free printer is built to last, offering seamless and efficient printing powered by HP's trusted technology. Number 5. Liene 2x3-inch Photo Printer. The Liene 2x3-inch photo printer is a mini, portable, instant color and monochrome picture printer that comes bundled with 50 ZINK adhesive papers. It features Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity and is compatible with both iOS and Android devices, making it easy to print directly from your smartphone, including iPhones. Designed for convenience, this compact photo printer is perfect for creating small phone stickers or photos on the go. Its sleek white design makes it a stylish and practical accessory for capturing and sharing memories anytime, anywhere. That wraps up my top picks for the best sticker printers in 2026. Whether you went with the all-in-one Liene PixCut S1 for professional print and cut, the budget-friendly Brother for everyday labels, or the gorgeous full-color Canon for product packaging, you're going to love bringing your creative ideas to life. I've linked every single printer with current prices and specs in the description below. If this video saved you hours of research, smash that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews. Now go make some stickers, and I'll see you in the next one.